Turkish cuisine is one of the most richest cuisine around the world because it uses varieties of dry fruits that are rich in taste. Today in this video we will be making lokum. To start its preparation, we will add 2 cups of sugar and some water. Now we'll stir it till the sugar gets dissolved in the water. Now you can see sugar has dissolved in water. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now we will grate some lemon zest. Now on a low flame, keep it for 15 minutes till it boils. Till our sugar syrup is preparing, we will start other preparations. Now we will add half a cup of corn flour. For natural flavoring, we will add strawberry syrup. Now we will add some water and mix the batter well. For some natural color, we will use red food color and mix it well. Now we will keep it aside and check our sugar syrup. You can see our sugar syrup is ready. Now we will strain our sugar syrup. Now we will heat our corn flour batter and add 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. Now whisk it till it thickens. Now you can check its consistency. We will add our syrup little by little and whisk it properly. Now cook it at a medium-low flame for 40 to 45 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of rose water and mix it well. To make it rich, we will add pistachios or any dry fruit of your choice. Now transfer the jelly in a glass bowl. Now refrigerate it for 4 to 5 hours. Our Turkish delight lokum is ready. Now we will sprinkle some icing sugar. Now cut it into small parts. Turkish delight lokum is ready to serve to your friends, family and kids. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more such videos.